Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we got an opportunity to meet Sir Saem, who has been teaching for the past 20 years. He also has a YouTube channel and websites. Link in the description and the comments. Go check it out. Also, his YouTube channel helped his students worldwide. His students also got 5 distinctions from countrywide and worldwide. So we're going to be asking some questions which were asked by international students and he will answer them. So let's start our video. So my first question is, why should students opt for computer science in O and A levels?
Okay, so very good question. Why should you opt for computer science? Well, frankly speaking, there tends to be a lot of difference between IT and computer science in O and A level. You have bachelor's in IT as well. Well, we are not discussing IT right now, but in some other day we'll discuss all about IT. CS tends to be everywhere nowadays. Talk about artificial intelligence, talk about embedded computing, which tends to be one of the most important aspect in electronic engineering as well. Talk about data science. Data is everything. Multinational organization, banks, for them data is everything. Okay, so data security is the most important thing. So computer science is there everywhere. 2 decades back, terminologies such as router were very new. People didn't know about it. There are lots of other terminologies nowadays that you will just take them for granted, and obviously you know about it. But right now, everyone knows these terminologies. Same 2 decades ahead, you will see is people will have a lot of educated knowledge about computer science. So CS obviously is very important. Nations, countries, communities and groups who will not indulge into AI, who will not educate themselves into AI, who will not learn how to program and how to develop apps and how to use AI to help humankind, to make it more useful, to make it more efficient, to help our everyday life, they are going to stay behind. And all this can only happen if you have a degree or a very well knowledge of computer science. So I always tell my students that try to learn a language, a high level language, an object oriented programming language such as Python. It's very important for everyone, okay, so that you should know how to develop apps, or at least you develop this computational thinking, that how things work. So one has to be computer literate in the next years to come. There will be no survival for those who will tend to behave as if they are naive and they don't know anything about it. Okay, it's something really important. Okay, we'll come to your next question now.